morning, guys. It's me, Trevor B. As you just saw in the beginning, I don't know if I'm going to be. This is the day before. I'm just recording the day before. And yeah, this is just on our way. Right now we're stuck in traffic, which is great. But yeah, so what I think, if you're going to be trying out YouTube and stuff, every single person should have an idea journal, idea notebook, whatever it is. And the best part about long car rides is that's when you get most of your ideas, which I have it with me. I'm not going to show it to you, though, because I have some plans that I don't want to spoil yet, that you can look forward to. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Hey, guys. So, yeah, guess where we are? So, yeah, we're at that place. So, now we are going to... I'll show you the clips of Putt-Putt. Okay, guys, so you just saw that last clip. This is like 5 days after that last clip. So let me explain to you of what happened, like play by play, because we visited the Johnsons, and if I just kept it in one big thing, it would be a really confusing video. So I'll tell you like play by play. But before I want to start, I want to show you this thing I made. Look, it's the YouTube play button. Yeah, I got my YouTube play button, guys. We're nowhere close. Only have 15. Yikes. But anyways, we already got 1,200 views, which is already amazing because just a couple of weeks ago, it's already telling about we already got 1,000. So, wow, a lot of you like my videos. But so we can get more subscribers. Go ahead, I'll give you like 10 seconds to subscribe right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you subscribe yet? I hope you did. Anyway, I want to show you. Yeah, I made this because at the Johnsons they had like you put these beads and then they were in iron. No! Oh no! My play button! Are you okay? Yikes. Dropped it. Let's do, can we do a playback? Can we do a play-by-play? Can we do a playback? Thanks. No! Oh no! Yeah, made that. It's really cool. Yeah, you can. At far, it doesn't look like it's made out of beads, but first, just like it was just smooth, and then here's that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'll show you the first clip. Oh, just sorry. I'll show you the first clip now. Hey guys. So yeah, guess where we are? So yeah, we're at that place. So now we are going to... I'll show you the clips of Putt-Putt. Okay, if you didn't know where we were, we're Chuck E. Cheese if you didn't know where we were. Okay, so pretty much all the Putt-Putt clips are just, it was like kind of a cool Putt-Putt course. I just got the first course, and then I just recorded just the, cool things that we...
No! My play button!
This should be a new play button for 15 subscribers. You know what? I just realized that. This, YouTube, if you're listening, you need to make it like a beads and iron. This should be the 15 subscriber play button. Got my own play button, guys! Woo! But yeah, I'll show you the Putt-Putt clips. They're just random. Show you them now. There's Steven. Steven! Hi. There's David. What? Hi. I'll show you the rest of the kids later too. Okay, and here's Adam. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't know if you can see him from sneak over here. What's up? Good job, Mary.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, that's nice.
And there's Rebecca coming up.
Mine didn't went in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, nice freeze.
Oh, I just stepped in mud. Oh my goodness. Ooh. That's cool. Okay, so then after that, we just did more stuff at Chuck E. Cheese and all that. I'm making sound like Chuck E. Cheese wasn't that fun. It was fun, okay? Don't judge me. It was fun, but it was fun, okay? And then after that, we went to the zoo. I didn't want to record because on my thing it said that at the time it said I had low space, and usually with my phone I can't record anymore. I didn't check it. Yeah, I didn't check it, so I still could have recorded some stuff at the zoo. I only recorded one thing at the zoo, and it was cool. This sloth, this is not sped up whatsoever. This sloth was actually moving that fast. I'll show you that clip right now.
It's okay, look at this stuff.
Going to sleep. Isn't that cool? And then after that, we pretty much just went ice skating, which I did not record because it's already had a harder time. Yeah, I can't talk. I already had a hard enough time ice skating by myself without my phone out. I think it'll be a little bit harder. And plus it's my first time ice skating. I know it would have been a great video to show, but all of my fails. But I'm not going to show you because I still need some dignity. Dignity? That's how you say it? Yeah, right there. I think it is. Because I just show you that fail over there. I bet there's still a lot of other fails in the past videos. Go ahead and check those out if you haven't. Okay, and then after that, we went home. And yeah, it was, the car ride was kind of long. Here's some clips of just random clips of me just waiting. And waiting. And waiting. And waiting. And waiting. Let's see them right now, and you can wait with me. Okay, right now. And yeah, that was pretty much me just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Wasn't fun. And now I gotta edit this video, so great. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and remember, tomorrow will be a new day.